Have you ever wondered how to build multiple income streams? Perhaps you've heard the term side hustle or passive income, but aren't quite sure where to start. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down the process into manageable steps so you can start generating additional income. Firstly, let's unravel the concept of multiple income streams. It's essentially the idea of having more than one source of income. This can be from your full-time job, a part-time gig, a side hustle, or even passive income from investments. The objective is not only to increase your earnings, but also to diversify your income sources, making you less reliant on a single paycheck. So, what's the first step? It's quite simple. Identify what you're good at. Everyone has a unique set of skills, talents, or hobbies that can be turned into a profitable venture. Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, or perhaps you love baking. Whatever it is, there's likely a market for it. Next, you'll want to create a plan. This includes setting clear goals, outlining your strategies, and identifying potential challenges. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your multiple income streams. It'll take time, effort, and patience. Once you've got your plan in place, it's time to take action. Start small, test the waters, and gradually scale up. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Now, let's talk about passive income. This is money that you earn without actively working for it. Think investments, royalties, or rent from properties. It's a fantastic way to earn extra cash, but it requires a different approach. You'll need to research, make smart decisions, and sometimes take calculated risks. And finally, remember to always keep learning. The world is constantly changing, and so are the opportunities for income. Stay up to date with new trends, learn new skills, and always be on the lookout for new income streams. Starting to build multiple income streams might seem daunting, but with the right mindset and a bit of determination, it's entirely achievable. It's all about taking that first step and then the next and the next. Before you know it, you'll have a diverse portfolio of income streams, providing you with financial stability and freedom. So there you have it, a simple guide to building multiple income streams. Don't be afraid to take that first step. Get started today, and remember, every great journey begins with a single step. And of course, come back for more financial insights and tips, like subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.